rolls with cheese and tomato and salad, I think, and sausages and quiche, blueberries and chocolate, boiled eggs, and a wonderful pressed apple and pear juice. A banquet fit for royalty. Thank you, Mum. It was really lovely. Very, very good indeed. And Rosanna chose to feast only on chocolate bars. And there she is now over on the slide, burning off her energy.
So our next journey we going to hybrid challenge, but some of the part you can actually video it, but some you can. And then we move to a Lego pirate show.
This was Rosanna.
So after we finished watching the show, we decided to go on the hot air balloon.
Oh look, Rosanna, we're going high.